So let me be your Lambo driver. Oh. I go take you anywhere you wanna go. Yeah, baby. I go be your Weezy, baby. Oh. Yeah. I go be your daddy. Oh. Yeah.
Oh my God, y'all. I am so in love with this wig. You guys were going so crazy over this wig that I posted on my Instagram. So I was like, you know what? Let me come show y'all a tutorial on how I laid the wig. This wig is from Wigmy Hair. You guys, they sent me a 28-inch deep wave 13x6 lace front wig. You guys, out of all the companies that ever sent me a wig, this wig was absolutely beautiful. As I'm recording this wig, I still got this wig. As I'm recording this video, excuse me, I still have this wig in my head, y'all. I wore this wig to work. Y'all know I don't wear wigs to work, but I had to wear this wig to work. It was absolutely gorgeous. I would say the only con is that as soon as you receive the wig, you do want to bleach the knots and wash it because it would smell like a little bit of corn chips.
Baby, kiss me, yeah. Baby, touch me, yeah. Wanna be your lover for life. Be your baby, whoa.
All right, y'all. So I'm trying this new ball cap method using ultra sheer pantyhose. I saw this from this girl on YouTube and I was like, you know what, let me use it. I'm be honest, y'all, this ball cap method didn't really help my wig install process. It was more so this beautiful hair that I got. I bleached the knots and I did a little bit of plucking, y'all. The last wig that I tried to pluck, I plucked it so bad. But this wig, I did a little bit of plucking. It already came plucked. So I just did a little tiny bit and then the wig was ready to go. So I'm just showing you guys me putting on the wig, y'all. At first, I don't know. As y'all can see, I still needed to pluck a little bit more, but I didn't pluck. I just had faith and everything was going good. So the first thing I did, you guys, was I took off the air tabs. Y'all know a lot of these wigs that companies send me, they're kind of too big for my head. So that's what I started with. I clipped off the air tags and I'm going to glue the hair down using the Eben New York hair glue, but I'm using the red bottle. I know they got a yellow bottle, but the red bottle is the best one. I believe it's the Supreme. So on one side of my head, I use the Eben New York, and that was taking too long to dry, y'all. So on the other side, I use the olive oil. It's like this gel kind of thing, and it works pretty good, but it's not going to be good for me to do PT. But I just wanted to come in and show you guys my favorite. First of all, this is my best wig install yet, number one. Number two, this is the best hair a company ever sent me. And some companies, y'all, they be selfish when they be sending hair. They be trying to send me like 22 inches. This company sent me 28-inch curly. I'm in love with this hair. I don't ever want to take it out my head, you guys. Like, I really don't. But I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, the link is going to be down below in the description bar. And I also have a coupon code. They are having a Valentine's Day sale coming up. And as of right now, I think it's Chinese New Year, but they are having a sale, you guys. So don't be afraid to contact them. Contact them on Instagram as well, y'all. I mean, this hair is... You guys are going crazy on Instagram. Like, I don't even have to look at that melt already. Like, what? But I love you guys. I'll see y'all in my next video.
By your side, and baby to fly, mommy you were to fly, stars on the beat, to fly. I wanna be by your side, baby you were too fine, baby too fine. Love me, baby, hold me, baby, kiss me, Genevieve. Baby, love me, baby, romance me. Baby, give me love, oh, Genevieve. So let me be a Lambo driver, oh. I go take you anywhere you wanna go. Yeah, baby. I go be your Weezy, baby, oh. Yeah. I go be your daddy, oh. Yeah. You go be my mommy, oh. Star boy. Let me be a Bengali, oh. I'm the bunch. I go be your scapegoat, Tony. Scapegoat, Tony. Let me be a two baba, oh. That's so. Baby, tiga. That's so. Tiga. Tigarikali, my African queen. And baby, love me, yeah. Baby, hold me, yeah. Let me love you, baby. Let me love you, baby, yeah. Baby, kiss me, yeah. Baby, touch me, yeah. Wanna be your lover for life. Be your baby, wow. Size on the beat, baby. You're gonna whine for me. You're gonna whine to the beat, baby. Size on the beat for you, baby girl. You're gonna whine to the baseline, baby, whine to the baseline. Oh, number one in Africa, like you know, number one in Africa. You already know that. Number one in Africa. I'm like number one in Africa. You're gonna whine for me, baby. And baby, shake for me, baby. Shake for me, baby. I wanna be by your side. Hey, baby, too fine. Mommy, you were too fly. Stars on the beat. Too fly. I wanna be by your side. Baby, you were too fine. Baby, too fine. Love me, baby, hold me, baby, kiss me, Genevieve. Yeah. Baby, love me, baby, romance me, baby, give me love, oh, Genevieve. So let me be your jumper driver. I go take you anywhere you wanna go. I could be a Weezy, baby, oh. Yeah. I could be your daddy, yo. Yeah. You could be my mommy, yo. Starboy. Let me be a Bengali, oh. I'm the bunch. I could be your scapegoat, Tony. Yeah. Let me be your two baba, oh. That's so. Baby, Tigarikali, that's so. Tigarikali, my African queen. And baby, love me, yeah. Baby, hold me, yeah. Let me love you, baby. Let me love you, baby, yeah. Baby, kiss me, yeah. Baby, touch me, yeah. Wanna be your lover for life. Be your baby, wow. Size on the beat, baby. You're gonna whine for me. You're gonna whine to the beat, baby. Size on the beat for you, baby girl. You're gonna whine to the baseline, baby, whine to the baseline. Oh, number one in Africa, like you know, number one in Africa. You already know that. Number one in Africa. I'm like number one in Africa. You're gonna whine for me, baby. And baby, shake for me, baby. Shake for me, baby.